and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with T. Today I am making pigs in a blanket. I know it sounds like a pig wrapped up in a blanket, but it's actually just a mini hot dog wrapped up in like puffy dough. And before we get started, and I want to say my dad's here with me. And also I wanted to say a shout out to my cousins, the Sean Bruns, Emily, Mike, Alexa, and Ollie. And their dog Maisie, they gave me this really, really cool apron for my birthday. It says Cooking with T, and I'm so happy. So when you watch this video, say thank you to me. And also, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Remember, we're going to get to 100 subscribers so we can do a humongous cake video. It's going to be so exciting. And also, turn those notifications on when you subscribe so you know when new videos come out. And let's get started. It's a little cold in my house, so I put a sweatshirt on. And the things you're going to be needing for pigs in a blanket are, you're going to need some crescent rolls. It's like, you're going to need some mini hot dogs. And also, you're going to need a pan with parchment paper on it and a rolling pin, so when you put your pigs in a blanket in the oven, they won't stick to the pan. Let's get started. So, what are we going to do now, Dada?
All right, first thing you need to do is unroll those crescent rolls.
How am I going to unroll them?
Well, look for a seam right here. So I can check out this one. Okay, see, here's a seam. And once you unroll that one, and I'll get the seam going over here for you.
They're like hard to unroll because they're like dough and it's stuck together.
Yeah, I'm trying to unroll them flat. Now if you see, they're in these triangles. See?
Yeah, I'll hold them up for them to see. You can see they cut it in like little triangles.
Right. So if you're making a crescent roll, you just roll up each individual triangle. But for pigs in a blanket, you actually want to cut each triangle into 3 separate triangles.
So we're going to take them off. We're going to take one off at a time. This dough is sticky.
I'll give you a knife.
So we're going to do
this
crescent roll first. And then we're going to do, because 2 crescent rolls, I believe, come in a package.
Alright, so now we have all our little triangles. The big triangles, now let's cut them into 3. No, not like that. So you wouldn't have enough. You want to cut them a long way. So you might cut 1.
Now I'm going to be wrapping all mine up, and we have all these cut into little triangles, as you can see from back there.
All right, so here's what we're going to do, T. We are going to take a mini hot dog, and you're going to take one, you're going to start on the fat end, okay?
Okay, and roll it to the
Put it right on the end, and then roll it all the way
Why don't you
to
show
the
them what
skinny
it
end.
looks like?
That's what it looks like.
It looks like
nice little pig in the blanket, and it's going to get golden delicious. And we'll just plop these down right on tray.
And no matter what I'm making, Mom and Noah come here for the trying session.
Well, Mommy doesn't really eat hot dogs. Noah does, though. You should try one.
Yeah, I'm making him coming here for the trying session no matter what. Even though if he doesn't want to eat it, I'm going to make him.
And this recipe with 1 roll of crescent dough, I think, makes 2 dozen hot dogs.
We can count at the end. Tell you guys.
You sure can. You want to race to see who can get more?
No, I'm not racing.
Why not?
Cooking isn't a race, Dada.
No, but it's fun. That's a good looking dog.
You know, guys, I've got some really good monkey bread. And I might make it for Thanksgiving. Maybe I'll make a video on that.
You didn't make a video for your monkey bread?
No, No, that was when I didn't have the channel.
Uh-huh.
I had just got it like the next day.
You were just a kid cooking.
I was just a kid cooking who wanted to be on Kids Baking Championship. Now, that was one of my dreams. You know that, right, Dada?
Being on Kids Baking Championship or Kids Cooking Championship?
Yes. You know, my dream was to be on Food Network, right?
Yep, you still have time to accomplish your dream.
Yeah, you have to get on the show when you're 12, so I have like 3 more years to accomplish my dream.
Yeah.
And I will accomplish it one day.
You can do it as an adult as well. It doesn't have to be just as a
Maybe
kid.
if I get really good, I could get on to beat Bobby Flay.
Ooh.
Now, if you guys want me to do that, if you guys want me to work towards that, just comment it down below and show me some love. Show your YouTuber some love. And if you love my
I think you're
cooking,
going to have to work pretty hard to beat Bobby Flay.
yeah, I'm gonna work hard on it.
You're going to have to cook dinner for us every night.
I will when I'm older.
All right, so we finished.
All right, we finished the Sean Pit.
Show them all the pigs in a blanket.
This is how many we made. It's like
A
over
lot.
a dozen.
Okay,
like
what
2
did-
dozen.
And we preheated the oven already, so we're ready to pop
So
them
we
in.
preheat it to 375,
And we're going to cook these for between
10 to 15
No.
minutes.
9 to 12 minutes is what it says in the crescent roll package. And because the hot dogs are already pre-cooked, you really just have to worry about cooking the crescent roll.
Yeah, the hot dogs are already cooked. You just want to get them heated up. The crescent roll is the thing you have to worry about, because if it gets burnt, then you can't eat the hot dog.
That's right.
Or that, because it'll just be
Okay.
burnt.
So let's pop them in the oven.
And then we'll
Mhm.
wait 12 minutes, and then we'll get back to you guys once it's done.
All right.
Put them in the oven. Ooh, hot. Honey, honey. Let's close the oven, and we will see you when it's done. So now that my
The hot
pigs and
dogs
blanket are done, we're gonna
done.
take them out of the oven. The wrap or roll is
Don't touch these.
the crescent
Very,
roll
very
is.
hot. Look at that.
Look at those beauties.
Golden brown and delicious. Watch your hands, sweetheart.
Now I'm gonna make
Stop.
mine fancy, and I am gonna put some toothpicks in them. Also, this will tell if they're raw or not. All right, here goes. They're not raw.
Okay.
Put them in there. This is just like what Guga and Poppy do with the hot dogs.
Do you want to put them on your plate from here? Oh, yeah, look. You just go like right like that.
I'm gonna have like 6 of these.
6? Okay. 6 is good.
I'm having these for dinner, by the way. If you did not know, you can go back in the video and check out when I said I'm having these for dinner. Because I am. Whoever does not believe me, soon. I'm going to let these cool off. As you all know, I've got my brother with me to try these beautiful pigs in a blanket.
Are they all cooled off?
Yes, they are all cooled off. I feel like they cool off pretty quickly. Noah, you love hot dogs, right?
Yeah.
So he thinks he's gonna love these, right?
Yeah, I used to not like pigs in a blanket though.
All right, we'll give them a try, guys. How do they taste?
Look like blanket.
First one is different.
It's kind of hot.
Oh, I love it.
It's really hot right now.
But it's good, right?
It's making my eyes water.
But it's really good, right?
You haven't got a hot dog, not a blanket.
I like it with it.
I'm gonna
So
try-
Noah, how do you think it is?
It's good, but before I can actually make my answer that, I need to actually get the hot dog with the bread. Yeah, no, it's good.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you had a good time watching. And if you made these, comment down below how you think they were. Because me and Noah think it's great, right? And my dad tried it beforehand. He loved it. So bye for
Very
now.
good.
And see you next time on Cooking with Tea.